Welcome back to another episode of Dave in the Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to make pistachio cupcakes. Very delicious and very easy to make. Follow along my instructions and I'll show you how to make them. And we're going to put a fourth of a cup of pistachios in here. Half a cup of sugar, white sugar, or splendid, whatever. I need half a cup of brown sugar. Also, you can use it splendid if you have to. 4 cups of flour, sifted. I need 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Half of butter, 1 stick and a half. I need 4 large eggs, 2 to 3 cups of milk, 2 teaspoons of pistachio extract, teaspoons of vanilla extract. Turn this processor on and combine this together. I'm going to add in our pistachio nuts. Stir this in very good. And then we're putting it into the muffin pans. Alright, that's what they're going to look like before they come out of the oven. We're going to put these in to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and for about, I don't know, about 45 minutes or maybe more until they're done. Anyway, we'll come back when they are done now, and we are going to do a taste test on this. Look at this beautiful. Look at that. Look at the gorgeous that is. Ain't that just so beautiful? Alright, we're going to do a taste test on that. Oh my god, that is so delicious. That is so good. That is good up there. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you do subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell next to subscribe. That way you get notifications of all my videos. And I appreciate y'all for watching. Thank y'all, and I'll see y'all next time.